Assalamu-Alaikum. This is Naz with Hijabz&You with another tutorial. Yes, it's another tutorial. I'm excited to be here today. I've got this beautiful scarf on. The color is absolutely gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. And I'm excited to be here because I'm on the forum where I enjoy the most, talking to you and have you converse with me. Yes. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, we're here again. Now, I'd like to welcome you to my channel, Hijabz&You. If you have not been here before, welcome. I hope you like what you see. If you're just passing through, that's even better. I hope you enjoy what you see. I hope you stay to the end. I really do hope so. And for those that have been my supporter from inception, and for those that have joined me along the way to this point of time, I'm very thankful for each and every one of you. Your love and your support means everything. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless each and every one of you for your love and your support that you give me. Please do leave me comments. Get in touch with me. You know, I'm open to suggestions. If you think we can do something different on this forum, tell me. I'm open to that. There's a whole world of ideas out there. And I started this so that I can interact with you. I wear a scarf and I'm very proud of wearing a scarf. And that was the reason why I started this channel. So I can help the other sisters. You know, I've been there. I've done that. There was times when we needed help that there weren't much around. But we've come such a far way. We have so many beautiful hijabi sisters out there now. We've gotten stronger. Yes, alhamdulillah, He's given us strength. You know, so many of our sisters are niqabis, so many are hijabis, you know. And for those sisters that are struggling with the idea, just make the intention. Once you make the intention, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives you the courage. You know, when you have trials and when things become difficult, always remember one thing. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows how much you can bear. He has given you this strength. He knows what you can handle. Don't ever forget that. So when the trial becomes tougher, it's because He loves you. He's going to test you to see how much strength you've got. He knows your strength. You don't know your strength. So make sure you don't give up. And you know, there's nothing against those sisters that don't wear the hijab. The call comes from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. My mission is to be here to help you. My mission is to make it easier for you. My mission is to tell you that it's not always easy. No, it's not. Sometimes we have family pressures. Sometimes we have job pressures. Sometimes there's all different forms of pressures. And you know, we've got the guy who's called Shaitan. You know, the moment we decide that we want to do something good like that, he will find every reason in the book for it to be difficult for you. Don't forget that. But you've got to show him that you are stronger. And if you make that intention, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will help you to fight him. Trust me. For me, alhamdulillah, you know, once Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave me the calling, I don't know what it was, but my life became from one kind to an extremely different kind. Yes, it's like it was day and night. And I was so thankful. Until this very moment, I am so thankful that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave me the calling. And I make every dua that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives you the calling. Yes. It's amazing how it changes your life. And what it does for you when you put the scarf on. It's a beautiful, beautiful feeling. it changes everything. Everything. Listen, I'm not saying, I don't want to say a lot more than I should say, but it's not that difficult. And this maybe gives you a start. Some people may say, well, I don't pray. How can I put a scarf on? Trust me, everything comes. Everything comes. If you make a step in the right direction, everything else falls into place. Some people say, well, I can't go to Hajj because I don't pray. But you don't know. You make the intention, Ya Allah, this is what I would like for my life. I'm just a regular Muslim. I don't do all these things. But I would say to any one of you out there, if Allah gives you the call, do not hesitate. If you can go to Hajj, even though you may not be praying 5 times, trust me, it will change your lifestyle. It will change you from within here. So make that effort. Accept the call, whether it's to pray, whether it's to wear your hijab, whether it's to go to visit the noble land of Saudi Arabia, whatever it is, accept the call. Don't digress and don't hesitate. Take the call. So that's my sermon for today. Please, my viewers, if you feel that I'm going too far, you let me know. If you think that I talk too much, let me know. This is who I am. This is a message I want to bring across to you. Simple as that. Today, my tutorial is a very simple and easy one. I'm wearing a shawl. It's really a dupatta. I saw the fabric. I loved it. However, a dupatta is 2.5 meters. But this, it wasn't 2.5 meters. It was just 2 meters. But I still figure I could make use of it. But it's absolutely gorgeous. The color is so vibrant, and it's got these beautiful little designs on it. It's got stars. Look at that. Look at that, how beautiful that is. It's absolutely gorgeous. And the color, it's so pretty. So I couldn't resist, of course. If you know me by now, if you've been following me, I love fabrics. I love colors. I love vibrancy, And so I bought it, and I stitched it, and I made a hijab out of it. And this is something another tutorial, I will tell you how it is. You can, you go to the fabric store and you get a nice piece of fabric and you can create your own hijab. It's not difficult. Trust me, it's not difficult. And if you don't have a sewing machine or a serger machine, you can use a hand needle. You just have to finish the ends nicely. And you can do that with just a simple hand needle. You don't need to have a machine or a serger machine. I mean, alhamdulillah, I have a serger machine. So because I am in love with fabrics. So there was a time when I made maybe 20 hijabs every week. Not that this head can wear 20 hijabs. I have given them so much away. And I still do every so often. I just pack them and put them in bags and just give them away. But this is from the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I love fabrics. I see them, I buy them, I stitch them, and then I give them away. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so I'm going to show you how I got this simple look. It's just a little bit of a wrap, and that's all it is. It's full coverage. It's got a lot of volumes, and that's what we want, full coverage. And it's a simple wrap. And so stay with me. I'll show you how I got this look. Okay, so I've got my ninja one, as usual. It's a dark color one. It's black. It works for the hijab because it's a dark, it's blue, and the dark color underneath looks really nice. And so this is the scarf. Let me show you what it looks like. It's not a complete length of a dupatta, but it's more than enough for the scarf. Like I said, I saw it. It didn't have enough fabric, but I did figure out that I can make do with it. And see, I have finished the ends very nicely, very nice and neat. and so I can use this as my scarf. And then after, sometimes I don't even use them. I just recycle them and give them away to my sisters. So what I'm going to do, because usually the fabric of a dupatta is very wide. It's very wide. So I'm going to fold it over a little bit in the front. That's it. See that? I've made a fold. Now it's taking some of the sequins and some of the fancy things on the inside, but that's okay. And what we're going to do is use the very short end here, and we're going to put some pressure here and fold it in and just tie it there. And I'm going to use a safety pin for that. No, it really doesn't matter what color it is, because it's going to be hidden when you fold it over. Now, if you want to put pins here, stick pins here, you can. Really, it sits so nicely, you don't need to. But if you want to, you could. Then all we're going to do is bring this and fold it over. Remember, we're using a dupatta for this, right? But it's the dupatta that's a little bit shortened. And all I do when I bring it over, I fold it in a tiny bit, so it falls nicely. And I'm going to use a stick pin. And you have got complete coverage. One fold. That's it. One fold. Now if you want to give it some folds, still with full coverage, what you can do is you can bring it up a bit, put a stick pin here. I'm going to put a stick pin here, and remember the trick of the stick pin over here. You try to get onto the strap so it's nice and snug. Look at that. And you're going to put another one on the other side. What we're doing is we're looking for full coverage, but having a nice fold in front. And that's all we did. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Now I want to show you the back, how nice it is and how really nice it falls in the back. Look at that. What do you think? Absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? Remember, it's a dupatta, okay? It's a dupatta that I've folded over, and I've got this most beautiful look. Don't you agree? It's absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful. Look at how it falls. Look at it. And we don't need any pins, right? We put a safety pin here, one stick pin here. That's it for the fold. Now, because we want to have a nice uniform look, the folds in the front, put it here. Look at this. Full coverage. You're fully covered. You've got all these nice folds in the front. It's absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Really, my dear sisters, you must try these. It's important. It's not difficult at all. Okay? Must. And leave me a comment. If you need help, reach out to me. I'm here to help you. That's it. We're here to build together. And it is just simple as that. I really like that. I love the color. I love, really, this is what I like. The folds, the way it falls. And it sits nicely, and you've got full coverage. And the back is covered. The front is covered. You are covered nicely here. And it is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. My dear viewers, I hope you enjoy that as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. It's just simple, simple, simple. I'm just trying to make it easy for you. For sisters that are having for issues that are for wearing the hijab, reach out to me. I'm here to help you. Okay. Well, if you like that, hit the like button and do share it with your friends and family. My dear sisters, if you share this link and someone gets the call to put the hijab on or to make it better for herself, you would have done a great deal for yourself. So please share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do hit the subscribe button and press on the all. Because if you subscribe, it's beautiful. If you press the all, then you'll never miss another upload from Hijabz&You. Please do take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Be vigilant. Don't slack off. Because COVID-19 is still here. There's so many people still getting sick. I've got a few people that I know that are suffering, and that has people that are suffering. I know a few people that has had families have passed away from this disease out in the States. So we must take care. I tell you and I tell myself because it's important for all of us to do our bit. Until we meet again, make sure to make every moment count. It's very important. Each moment is priceless, and once it's gone, we cannot recover it. So make every moment count. Until we meet again, this is Naz saying Assalamu Alaikum.